hey, so does Jungle Scout work in Italy? Does Jungle Scout support the Amazon Italy marketplace? And which tools by Jungle Scout are available there? In this video, we're going to go through the tools. I'll explain to you what they do, and we'll see if they work in Amazon Italy or not. In the description, you're going to find the best discounts for Jungle Scout so you can save big. Also, you'll find the playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials to make it easy for you to use different parts of Jungle Scout. And also, you'll find this page, list of supported countries, where you have this nice table that I'm going to go with you through, but you can also go through it yourself. It's in the description. It's always going to be updated. And my name is Vova Evan. Great to meet you, seller on Amazon. Since 2016, still actively selling. So let's see. And let's see here. It says support for different stores depends on the specific product feature. At this time, Jungle Scout is fully compatible with the following Amazon marketplaces, and Amazon Italy is number 7 here. Now, it's not exactly fully compatible, but almost so. We're going to discover it in a second, but it's good news for Amazon Italy users because most of the tools are available there. Some marketplaces, as you can see here, in addition, we offer limited support for the following stores, so some are less kind of rich with Jungle Scout tools, but Amazon Italy is. Let's see exactly which tools work with Amazon Italy. So we have Italy here. It's IT. It's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the left, and we're going to go through each one and see what those kind of features do and how they can help you. So first one for Amazon Italy is the home dashboard. It's basically the dashboard by Jungle Scout. If you go to the main website of Jungle Scout and you log in, you'll have the dashboard fully available, but not everything on that dashboard is available. Almost everything though. Let's see what exactly is. So we have the toolbox, sales estimator, and listing grader. Sales estimator is a tool that helps you understand the amount of sales a product does per month on Amazon, available on Amazon Italy. So it's good for product research and understanding of sales of different products. Listing grader is a tool that helps you understand quality of a listing. So whether a good product listing is in front of your eyes or a bad one, listing grader will help you. I have tutorials for those tools in the playlist of tutorials in the description if you want to see exactly how to use them and how to understand them. Of course, the best discounts are there as well in the description. Next one is product research. We have product tracker, product database, product opportunity finder, and category trends. So product tracker is a tool that works on Amazon Italy, and it's a tool that helps you track different products and see their progress. Let's say you can add a product to the tracker and see the sales of this product. You can see the amount of reviews it's getting, what reviews it's getting. So you can kind of follow along the product and a niche with this tool, product tracker. And next one is product database and opportunity finder. Those two tools are good for product research, and they do work on Amazon Italy. For example, you want to see small products, you want to concentrate on really lightweight products. Let's say you input criteria of under 100 grams and over $10,000 in sales into product database and less than 50 reviews, let's say. So then product database will show you products based on a huge database that it has of such products. So if the criteria fits, you'll see different products on Amazon Italy that fit that criteria. So in this case, you can find good specific niches on Amazon Italy. Product opportunity finder and product database are kind of similar. You can check out the tutorials for them in the description to see exactly how to use them. Good for product research. Category trends is not available for Amazon Italy, only available for Amazon US. This tool is gonna kind of help you find specific trends and specific categories, but you can simply go to the bestsellers part of Amazon Italy and find some good products there as well. It's kind of an alternative, but this tool, Category Trends, is currently only available for Amazon US. Let's continue. Suppliers. We have suppliers part, a supplier database, and supplier tracker. Supplier database is a tool that is only available with Amazon US. Basically, it's a tool by Jungle Scout where you can input an ASIN, like of a product, and see the suppliers that produce this product. It doesn't work with all the products, but sometimes it does, and you can find really good suppliers of really good products. But it's not available with Amazon Italy, only with Amazon US. The next one is Supplier Tracker. It's a tool by Jungle Scout for Amazon Italy that helps you kind of keep organization of your conversations with your suppliers, your purchase orders and invoices and all that. So it's a good tool for organization, fully available with Amazon Italy and all the other marketplaces as well. Of course, I remind you that the best tutorials and discounts for Jungle Scout are in the description. Next part is keywords. So we have Keyword Scout, Keyword Lists, Listing Builder, and Rank Tracker. So Keyword Scout is a tool for keyword research on Amazon, so it can potentially help you find great keywords for your product, so you can then rank in those keywords and get sales. Keyword Lists is a tool that will help you organize those keywords into lists. So later on, you can use those lists in the listing builder to build a good listing on Amazon for your product. And Rank Tracker is the tool that is going to help you track the ranking of specific keywords that you found. Let's say you found a small product and it was a seed box or like a seed bag for seeds of flower, like let's say rose or red rose seeds. So that's the keyword. And let's say you're tracking your own product or the product of competition. And you can see that for red rose seeds, your product is position number 34 on page number 2, and your main competitor is position number 2 on page number 1. So based on that, you can kind of see if your marketing is working well. Let's say you're promoting some keyword with pay-per-click on Amazon, and you can follow that keyword to see if your ranking is improving. And of course, you can also track your competitors to see what they're doing and how their positions are improving. If you see someone that's ranking really well all around, you can see their listing strategy. Maybe they have good pictures, or maybe they have good bullet points or titles. So this is a nice way kind of to understand based on their rankings, like how well they're doing. Next part is marketing review automation, fully available for Amazon Italy, exactly as all the last parts, by the way. They're also all available, the keywords part. But marketing and review automation is a tool that will help you automatically kind of get reviews for your products on Amazon. So Jungle Scout on your behalf automatically will send a template with review requests to Amazon buyers that bought your product, and they might leave you a review. So it's a good tool for potentially getting more reviews. And the template that Jungle Scout uses is the official template by Jungle Scout by Amazon itself. So it's legal and you can use it. So it's pretty cool. Next part is sales analytics. We have profit overview, P&L statement, other transactions here. So this part fully works with Amazon Italy, as well as all the other marketplaces of Jungle Scout and Amazon. So basically, sales analytics tools help you see the profitability of your product on Amazon. So you can connect your Seller Central to Jungle Scout and add the costs of your product. And Jungle Scout will add all the refunds. It will see all your sales. And based on your product cost, then it will give you the final results and profits that you're making. So it's a really good tool to see if you're actually profiting on Amazon or not. So that's sales analytics tools, pretty good tools. Of course, we have tutorials for all those tools in the description, so you can see exactly how to use them. Advertising is the next part, advertising analytics. So it's a tool by Jungle Scout for PPC, managing your pay-per-click ads on Amazon. And it's available for Amazon Italy. You can basically kind of control your PPC through Jungle Scout with the help of this tool. We have a tutorial of how to use it in the description as well. Manage products, and that's inventory manager and product costs. Those tools work with Amazon Italy. Those tools will help you stay in stock and not go overstock, because Jungle Scout will connect to your Seller Central. It will see the velocity of your sales. And into this tool, you will input the kind of amount of days it takes you to produce a specific product, the amount of days it takes you to ship a specific product to Amazon. And based on those numbers, it will show you exactly how many days you have left in stock, when to order stock, when not to order, kind of thing, if you're already overstocked. Good tools. I recommend you inventory management tools because they will help you make better profits in your business and be more organized with your stock, because you can easily overstock or go out of stock on Amazon. So let's scroll a little bit down to the extension part. Extension is the Chrome extension, generally browser extension. It works with other browsers like Firefox as well at this point with Jungle Scout. And this tool, you can download it through the link in the description. It's good for product research, product validation, and it does support Amazon Italy, which is good news because it doesn't support all the marketplaces, but Italy is one of the marketplaces that it does support. You can download it through the link in the description, along with the best discounts for Jungle Scout, and a playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials that will show you how to use the extension and other parts of Jungle Scout as well. In fact, the playlist is going to appear here on the screen right now. You can click on it to check out the tutorials. You can search within the playlist to find the right tutorials for you. Get the best discounts for Jungle Scout, and of course, get updated by clicking on the link to this page in the description to see if any changes have occurred. Maybe more products by Jungle Scout were added to the list. I'm wishing you a great day there in Italy. I'm wishing you great sales and a great life. Stay happy, stay well. Good luck to you and your family. Bye-bye.